What's up, guys? Thanks so much for taking time to check out my video and what I have here for you. So, if you're like me, you were trying to run some Facebook stuff and you're trying to create a lead form, but you found out that they updated things and now you don't really know exactly where to go or how to do it. Let me explain, because I thought you couldn't do it anymore either. But you can actually create Facebook lead forms. Let me show you how. Let me just pick a random client that I work with. Okay, let's use these guys for now. Okay, I'm just going to show you something here. Okay, you're going to go to Publishing Tools. Okay, Publishing Tools. So you're going to go again to your Facebook page. You're going to go to Publishing Tools. Okay. Now that we are here, okay, as it loads. Okay, now that it's here, we're loaded here, right? What we're going to do is we're going to go to Forms Library, okay? And then all we're going to do, look how easy. Just hit create. This is the simple process. This is where everything is. Um, if those of you who are trying to create a Facebook lead form, this is where you go. Look, you just go to create. It's just like it used to be. Do I want to create a new form or duplicate an old one? A new form, of course. And I always like to go higher intent. Um, and I'll usually delete the greeting out and I'll just put something like this. To get a quote or more info, please enter your correct info below. Our team will follow up ASAP. And then simply putting, you can switch these around. I'll just go the name. I don't even ask for the email half the time. For myself and my clients, is usually I just go for name, phone number, maybe the company name, just depending on where you're in and what you do. You could ask for the street address if you want, but it just depends on how defined you want the lead. Remember, these are more higher intent leads, and it's always better to pay for a higher quality lead than a non high quality lead. Okay. And then privacy policy, just insert the privacy policy there. You have review scene and completion. Thanks, you're all set. Now you can set this where they can call you or download something by clicking that button, right? So they can hit download, and then you can put a link to where you want them to go. Like maybe they get a book or something like that. Okay. So essentially, you could set up, let's say you have an ebook or a PDF. Hey, get this free PDF. They enter in their email, and then that download link takes them to where they can go get that book. Okay, because you've gotten their information, you get what you need, and now they can go ahead and download it. I really hope this helps. Please make sure you do follow and like my stuff, follow, comment, like, and share on my YouTube channel. So hopefully this is helpful for you, for those of you who are having trouble generating those lead forms in 2022 with those new metaverse updates. Okay, hope that helps. Have a great one. Take care.